and different. One in quality. So, qualitatively, we are one. God is good. So, in quality, we are good. We are not bad. And why you have become bad? Because we are now differently dressed. Dehatma buddhi. The dog is thinking, I am dog. And a man is thinking, I am man. Cat is thinking, I am cat. He is neither cat, neither dog, neither human being. He is part and parcel of God. Aham Brahmasmi. This is self-realization. I am not this body, just like we are differently dressed. So I am not the dress. I am human being. You are human being. Pandita Samadarshina. That those who are learned scholars, they do not find any difference between cat and a Brahmana, because the Brahmana is also a living entity and the cat is also a living entity, is differently dressed. So we have to rectify this mistake that we are not this body, this is our external covering. We are spirit soul, part and parcel of Krishna. That is the stage of liberation. Sarupena avasthiti. Now we are acting according to the covering. When we shall not act according to the covering, but according to our constitutional position, that is liberated platform. Krishna consciousness means when we understand that we are part and parcel of Krishna, therefore our duty is to serve Krishna. This is self-realization, this is liberation. When you are fully convinced about this fact that we are all part and parcel of Krishna, our only duty is to serve Krishna. Then you are liberated. So the bhakti science means to Chetadatmana marjanam. We are differently conscious. Somebody thinking I am American, somebody I am Indian. This is not our identification. The identification when I shall think, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives us information, Jive Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. That is self-realization. So Krishna says, Etat jonini bhutani sarvani iti upodharaya aham krishnasya jagata prabhavam pralayastasa. They are caused by me, Krishna says. The body is the material, earth, water, air, fire, ether, mind, intelligence, ego. They are also emanating from Krishna. Prakriti, bhinna prakriti me astada. The difference is they are not in touch with Krishna, but it is Krishna's energy. Just when I am speaking and it is being recorded, when it will be replayed, you will find that I am speaking, but that speaking is separate. The speaking has come from me, but in the tape record it appears that it is separated, or it is separated. In one sense it is not separated, because originally it comes from me. In another sense it is mechanical, going on. Similarly, this material world is also Krishna. Idang hi visham bhagavan ivetara. This material world is emanating from Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the origin of everything. Everything means there are two things. One jor and one cheta. Matter and spirit. There are two things. The matter is coming from Krishna and the spirit is also coming from Krishna. Therefore he is the original cause. Sarva karana karana. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radi Govinda Sarva karana karana. He is the cause of matter and is cause of spirit also. So, Sarvam Khalidam Brahma. Everything is from Brahma. Krishna is the supreme Brahma. Vedanta says, Janmadasya Jata. Everything is coming from him. Therefore Krishna says, Etat Jonini, although this Joni, the different types of living entities are there, 8 million forms. Etat Jonini Bhutani Sarvani Chura. Aham Krishna Sa. They are all caused by me. Aham Krishna Sa. Krishna Sa means of everyone. Their body is also mine, and they are spirit soul, they are also mine. So everything is Krishna. So therefore this body I am claiming it is my body, it is not my body. It is Krishna's. Krishna is giving. Just like father gives the dress to the children. Actually the dress belongs to the father. So when we understand this body is also Krishna's energy, I am also Krishna's energy, my intelligence is Krishna's energy, and my identification is also with Krishna. In this way, when we realize fully, that is Krishna consciousness. And when Krishna withdraws, then it is finished. This Krishna, when he withdraws the spirit soul from the body, then the body remains, and in due course of time the body becomes dust thou art, dust thou beest. This is mixed up, pancha tattva prapta. Again the body is mixed up. Just like from the earth you make so many different types of forms. Again when it is broken, it falls down on the earth, and in due course it becomes earth again. So this change is going on of the external body, not of the spirit soul. The spirit soul is individual, Krishna is individual, and it continues. Every one of us, we are individual in the past, we are individual at the present moment, and we shall continue to be individual in future. But when we are covered by this material body, this individuality becomes differentiated. Otherwise, even though individual, we are spirit soul, we are one. Spirit soul, and without any material contamination, our relationship is permanent. Krishna is the origin, Master, Prabhu, and we are emanation from Krishna, servants. So when this relationship continues, then there is no impediment on account of this bodily covering. Rishikesha sevanam bhakti rucha. When we are not contaminated by the body, we remain pure. With that senses, when we serve Krishna, that is our liberation. That is called bhakti. Thank you very much.